Hey people, how's it going? Um, damn thing. How's it going, people? Just a quick update. Well, if you call it an update. Just a quick, boring video. Yeah. Anyway, it's the 13th. Oh my gosh, I don't know if you guys can hear our birds, but we got some really, really noisy birds around the hood. I'm sure you guys can hear them. If it's not the birds, it's the aeroplanes. Not to mention my neighbours, her whole backyard is full of aviaries. So although that we do have birds, but this neighbour, she's got like a whole backyard full of aviaries, bird cages. And I don't believe in locking birds up in a cage. They are meant to fly, not to be caged in. But this neighbour, yeah, anyway, that's just another. But anyway, how are you going, people? Just thought I'd come in for a quick ciggy and a coffee. Just got back from Daniel's driving lesson. Got him to take me down to our local shops. I mean, anything. Even if it's just down the road, I'll make him drive me down just so he can get his driving into practice. So yeah. What have I been doing apart from working? Nothing. Nothing. No plans this weekend, and the weather's really nice too, by the way. Got some really nice weather. Yeah, so no plans this weekend. Just going to be chilling. Been watching I've been watching a season program on Netflix, so I've been like binge watching TV. So yeah, boring. But I like it when it's boring, because all I could do is just like this, be lazy the whole weekend. Yeah. I was just gonna check out this. Hold on, I'll be back. Oh, sorry, people. That was my phone. I had to answer my phone. So, yeah. So anyway, I'm just gonna finish with my cigarette and my coffee. So, yeah. So yeah. Yeah, nothing much has been happening. But we do have a lot of events coming up though. So yeah. What else? Nothing else. So I'm just gonna sit here. And just finish up my smoke and my drink. So yeah. Honestly, there's really nothing much to say, to be honest. Oh, Danny got a car stereo, a new car stereo for my son's car. He's got a little Honda Civic, so he's going to be using his own car to do his P's. So we're going to be booking that in, I think, around the end of September. He's only got, I think, about 26, 27 hours to go. So once he's finished those hours, and then we could book him in. And if we think that he's ready to do his license, but I'm aiming for him to get his license by the end, before this year is out. So yeah, but yeah, he gets a little bit cheeky when he's driving though. So I told him a few times. One of them was when I caught him on his phone, and then we drove through McDonald's, and he was trying to talk on his phone or text on his phone as well as eating on his phone. So yes, I gave him a good fucking growling for that. I said, that's one thing you're not going to do. I said, when you get your licence, you can do what the fuck ever. Well, not do whatever, but, you know, be a responsible driver. So just because you're going to get your, well, hopefully, fingers crossed, that he'll get his P's, he's not going to go stupid out on the streets. So, yeah, so like me and his father has been hammering hard on that. So he does have some friends that do have their licenses, and yeah, lots and lots of bad habits. Typical teenagers. Think they've been driving for years, but my God, he's got years and years before he becomes a proper experienced driver. But yeah, other than that, he's pretty good. He still needs a few touch-ups on his lessons, but yeah, we'll eventually get there. Eventually. I told him that he's going to be parking right in the shopping centre where there's cars around, so he'll get used to parking their car and reversing out each time, or even reverse to go into the car park. So just little things like that. So yeah, people. Anyway, almost finished, so I just thought I'd do a little bit of update. So anyway, if you like this video, you know what to do. Give me your likes. Don't forget to subscribe, and catch you in my next video. Okay, see you guys. Have a good one. Bye.